myself Chandana. This is about my topic is binary search and linear search. Binary search and linear search. Search in that field of search algorithm. Search algorithm is a method used to find specific item or group of items in a data set. It is widely used in computing databases, AI, and everyday applications like search engines. Types of search algorithms: linear search, sequential search, checks the elements one by one time, complexity best on best or for small or unsorted list. Binary search, efficient for sorted data, repeatedly divides the data set in half, time complexity best for large sorted data sets. Another types of search algorithm: linear search, sequential search, checks the each element one by one, complexity on best for small or unsorted list. Ba- Binary search, efficient for sorted interpolation search algorithm. Interpolation search improves binary search for estimating position instead of always dividing in half, time complexity best case for uniformly disturbed sorted data. Depth first search and breadth first search, DFS and BFS, used in a graph and tree travel. DF goes deep first for before backtracking. BFs explore all neighbors first before moving deeper, time complexity. This is all about search algorithm and types of search algorithm. This is another one is binary search algorithm. Binary search is a efficient search algorithm that finds an element in a sorted array by repeatedly dividing the search space in half. Binary search works: first, find the middle element of the array, compare it with the target element. If it matches, return to the index. If the target is smaller, search in the element in the left half. If the target is larger, search in the right half. Repeat until the element is found or the search space is empty. Time complexity best case: the target is found at the middle. Worst case, the search space is reduced by half each step. This is all about binary search and how it works. The code for binary search program is hash include stream using namespace standard int binary search int array int left int right target flower bracket. If left is greater than right, if int middle is equal to left plus right, left plus bracket right minus left by divided by 2. If array is equal to mid, it is target, return mid target found. Else array mid greater than target, return binary search array mid plus 1 right target right half. Else return binary search array left mid minus 1 target search left half, return minus 1. Target not found. Int main int array 10 20 30 40 50, int target 30, int size of array is equal to 0, int result binary search array is equal to 0, size equal to minus 1. Target: if result is equal to 1, count elements found at index. else elements not found else elements not found else elements not found. Ends here, return 0. This is all about by search algorithm and search algorithm types, binary search algorithm, binary search how it works, and code of a binary search algorithm. Thank you.